9 incredible things that happen when you replace all drinks with water. We all know what harmful drinks can cause: obesity, heart problems, stomach pain, skin diseases, caries. This list sounds so scary, so I don't want to continue it. But what if we completely replace all drinks with water? What would happen with our bodies then? Chris Bailey, a popular blogger and lecturer, carried out some month-long research about this topic. His conclusion is really impressive and surprising. We decided to summarize his research for you. Hold on tight. These facts might shock you. Number 9, you lose weight faster. Yeah, you do. No special diet is required. You replace all drinks with water for 9 days. You'll lose the equal amount of calories as when jogging for 8 kilometers a day. Wow, this seems to be a great way to stay slim without much effort. I'm going to try it out. Are you? Number 8, you speed up your metabolism, and it, in turn, raises your energy level. Drinking just 17 fluid ounces of water in the morning increases your metabolism by 24%. Write it down on your calendar. Drink plenty of water every day, and you'll see the impressive result very soon. Number 7, your brain works better. Did you know that your brain is 75 to 85% water? Nothing else, just water. So by drinking, you fuel it, which helps you concentrate. Drink water to work more efficiently, cope with all daily tasks quickly, and stay energized even late in the evening. Doesn't this sound like a dream? Number 6, you eat less. Water suppresses appetite, which helps you lose weight. Also, sometimes we confuse hunger with thirst. If you suddenly want to eat something high calorie, maybe all you need is just a glass of water. Try it out next time you feel hungry. It really works. Number 5, your body excretes toxins faster. Water washes out harmful substances, preventing aging. Want to look young and fresh as long as possible? Drink a glass of water right now. Number 4, water lowers the risk of many diseases. Which diseases? Oh, a lot, like hypertension, bladder conditions, bowel cancer, and others. Want to avoid wasting money on doctors? Just drink more water. Number 3, your heart works better. Yes, it's a true fact. 5 glasses of water a day lowers the risk of a heart attack by 41%. 41! This number is really impressive. So, what are you waiting for? Have a glass of water to stay healthy. Number 2, your skin becomes softer and cleaner. Water clears and moistens your skin. Trust us, after a few weeks of drinking water every day, you will fall in love with your skin again. And number 1, my favorite, you save a lot of money. How much money do you spend on coffee to go and juices per week? Well, I don't want to say how much I do because my spending is massive. The price of water is much lower than that of other drinks. Think about it. So, have these amazing facts impressed you? If so, hit that thumbs up button. And if you're visiting our channel for the first time, click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.